Step 1. Install the eFlex Max stabilizing brace included with your Durarack using the provided T-bolts. Make sure the bolts are securely tightened to ensure a safe and stable setup. Step 2. Peel off the protective paper from the back of the heating mats. Then, firmly press the heating mat onto the back of the eFlex Max battery. Be sure the bottom of the mat aligns parallel with the Durarack bracket for a perfect fit. Carefully lift the eFlex Max battery and insert it into the Durarack at a slight angle. Align the securing bracket gently and accurately as you slide it into place. Connect the heating mat cable to the adapter cable, included in your Fortress Power heating kit. Plug the AC cable into the thermostat and power it on. Now, you can configure the temperature settings. Choose between Celsius or Fahrenheit, then press and hold the settings button for 3 seconds until the temperature indicator blinks. Last but not least, set the heating system to activate at 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Be sure to follow Fortress Power on social media for product updates, or visit fortresspower.com support for additional help.